Thank you for coming to Aviator Church today. This is Sean. He's coming to Aviator Church next week because someone gave him one of these. Looks like a box of Peeps, right? But they're not just Peeps. They're your invitation to invite a friend to church. You're going to get one on your way out today so you can invite your own Peeps next week. By the way, don't eat them, don't throw them away, and don't do what our creative department did when they got their hands on them. Here they go! It's an invitation, so be excited and invite somebody. Sundays at 10:30 here at the Derby High School. When Sean comes in next week, he'll receive a Connect card. He'll be asked to fill it out and he'll receive an I'm New bag. If you're here for the first time today and you've not turned in your Connect card, please hand it to one of the ushers on your way out of the auditorium. Also, pick up an I'm New bag on your way out of the building. Again, thank you so much for being with us today.